In is for position, already inside, and into is for movement, going inside. Easy, right? Let's practice with our questions. Number 1. The cat is blank the box. Here we are talking about position. The cat is already inside the box, not moving. So the better choice is in. The full sentence is the cat is in the box. Great job. Next up, number 2. She walked blank the kitchen. Now that's movement. She wasn't in the kitchen before, but she went from outside to inside. That's why we need into. So it's she walked into the kitchen. See? Smooth. Moving on to number 3, the milk is blank the fridge. Again, position. The milk isn't moving. It's already there, chilling. The right answer is in. So, the milk is in the fridge. Now, number 4. He jumped blank the pool. That's an action. He's moving from outside the pool to inside the pool. Splash! So we need into. The full sentence is he jumped into the pool. Great job, keeping up. On to number 5. Toys are blank the basket. Are the toys moving? Nope. They are just sitting there. So again, in. Toys are in the basket. Simple, right? Finally, number 6. She puts the phone blank her bag. This is tricky because we see an action. She moves the phone from outside to inside the bag. So we use into. The correct sentence is she puts the phone into her bag. Nice one, you nailed it. So, quick recap. Use in for position and use into for movement. That's the big idea. Now, your homework is to do the extra exercise questions from 7 to 12 on your own. And that's it. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe.